Okay, I've got a huge update on my all-in-one work management system, which joins now the CRM to the process project task manager. So let me show you the automations in this because they're so cool. So here we are in the CRM. We've got an opportunity, you might call it a deal, moving through the pipeline. And you can see here, it's pulling in all of our emails, meetings from Gmail and Google Calendar, and then my tasks related to um, working on the proposal in this case. So if I take that opportunity and move it from the negotiation phase into the closed one phase, which is just a drag and drop over, then in the back end, I have this ability to set up for any of these stages a process to run when an opportunity hits that stage. So in this case, it's this welcome new client process. So within my process in Task Manager, I've built out this SOP or process related to welcoming a new client. Set up these few steps, a few tasks in here. You can see added resources to help, in this case, myself, um, work through those tasks when the time comes. And this is a template of, what's to come. So again, going back to this step, I'm going to drag this opportunity from negotiations into the close one phase. And what's going to happen is this process is going to get triggered, automatically creates a project, and here it is. So I've updated the title. In this case, you can see the details. It's linking to the opportunity, gives me my planned start date, and the three steps within that process within the SOP are created as tasks. Okay, and you can see they're assigned to me. And I can verify that by going to my tasks. And here is the first task in the chain, which is to send the welcome email. So all of this is automated. All I had to do was move that opportunity from one stage to the next, and these tasks are created within the project. Uh, and I think equally as cool, back within the CRM, now that opportunity has the project showing there as well. So, if I'm over in the CRM, I can see the project, and um, if I'm in the process manager, I'll be able to see the opportunity and its status. So, super cool to have those things linked. I think it's going to provide a lot of time savings for people, especially in that ability to repeatedly run your processes and improve them over time.